All right, happy Earth Day. Today we're going to completely submerge our friction fire kits, overcome that moisture within our board, and then produce a friction fire. So stick around.
Here we go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take our friction fire kit and we're going to submerge it in the water, okay? So there we go. Keep it down in the water for a little bit here. Make sure that, I'll do both sides of the spindle here. There's one side, flip it around, get the other side. Just keep making sure that's nice and wet here.
That's what she said.
All right, so wet friction fire kit, and let's see if we can get a fire now. Okay, as you can see, we have a very wet friction fire kit. Things are still sticking to it, so you know it's legitimately wet. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're actually gonna cut the divot hole so we can start to burn it in. Okay, and like always, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the charred part and the outer bark. Hopefully I'm getting a little bit of that moisture off in the inner part of that wood. So there's that. Now what I'm gonna do, since it's Earth Day, we're gonna take a little bit of mud. This happens to be a little bit of clay, okay? And I'm gonna just kind of hit this with my hand to the side. And I kind of want to use all the elements today in our project here. So I'm gonna take a little bit of clay here and put it into the hole. Now clay loves, not only is it abrasive, it's gonna help grind our material here, but I think it's also gonna help suck up some of this moisture that's in our board, that's in our kit, okay? So from here, let's go ahead and start drilling some of this moisture out. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna put a little bit more clay in there. Nice. Okay, and I am getting smoke, but I fear a lot of that could be water vapor. But we are getting heat to the board. So I think what I'm gonna do right now, before I drill down any more, is I'll cut a notch. I got our notch. Here's our ember tray. Put a little bit of clay in there. All right, let's see if we can't get us a friction fire with a wet kit. All right, we got it. All right, so we got a coal. So we got a coal with a very wet kit. Now let's blow it into a friction fire. Here's our tinder bundle. I got my pieces of yucca in there. Here we go, almost there. There we go. friction fire from a wet kit using all the earth elements. We use fire, water, oxygen, and earth. And there we go. Great tinder bundle, by the way.